Students, in this question we have to find the envelope of the following of the family of straight line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to c sin alpha multiplied by cos alpha, where alpha being the parameter. आप देख सकते हैं ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन की इक्वेशन गिवन है, क्योंकि ये लीनियर इक्वेशन है. दिस इज द लीनियर इक्वेशन, सो दिस रिप्रेजेंट ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. This is a linear equation in two variable. We know that linear equation in two variable always represent a straight line. So this is the linear equation in two variable x and y. So this is a family of straight line where alpha being the parameter. आप देख सकते हैं ये इक्वेशन एक स्ट्रेट लाइन की इक्वेशन है, क्योंकि x और y में एक लीनियर इक्वेशन है और अल्फा यहाँ पर एक पैरामीटर है. ये फैमिली ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन की इक्वेशन है, इसका एनवेलप फाइंड आउट करना है. So we know that first we write here x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to c multiplied by sin alpha multiplied by cos alpha. Now we divide this equation by sin alpha multiplied by cos alpha. So reduce this equation. This equation can be written as x cos alpha divided by sin alpha multiplied by cos alpha plus y sin alpha divided by sin alpha multiplied by cos alpha is equal to c sin alpha cos alpha divided by sin alpha cos alpha. Here we can see that we divide whole equation by sin alpha multiplied by cos alpha in both sides. दोनों साइड में आप देख सकते हैं sin alpha cos alpha से डिवाइड किया गया है. So this cos alpha is cancelled by this cos alpha, this sin alpha is cancelled by this sin alpha, this sin alpha is cancelled by this, and this cos alpha is cancelled by this one. So this will be x upon sin alpha. 1 upon sin alpha, we know that this is cosec alpha, and 1 upon cos alpha, this is sec alpha is equal to c. Suppose this is second equation. Here we can see that the given equation of family of straight line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to c sin alpha cos alpha. For finding envelope of this family of straight line, first we divide whole equation by sin alpha multiplied by cos alpha. Then equation reduces x cosec alpha plus y sec alpha is equal to c. आप देख सकते हैं जब होल इक्वेशन को sin alpha into cos alpha से डिवाइड किया गया है, तो ये फैमिली ऑफ स्ट्रेट लाइन की इक्वेशन रिड्यूस हो गई x cosec alpha plus y sec alpha is equal to c. Now we differentiate this second equation partially with respect to the parameter alpha. So differentiate partially with respect to the parameter alpha. So we know that here x is constant with respect to parameter alpha, and differentiation of cosec alpha with respect to alpha is minus cot alpha multiplied by cosec alpha. Similarly here y is constant here, and when we differentiate sec alpha with respect to alpha, we get sec alpha multiplied by tan alpha is equal to, here c is the constant with respect to alpha, so differentiation of c with respect to alpha is 0 here. So we can see here this can be written as minus x cot alpha cosec alpha is equal to, here we transform this y sec alpha tan alpha in the right hand side, so we get minus y sec alpha multiplied by tan alpha. We can see this minus cancel from both sides, and this cot alpha can be written as cos alpha upon sin alpha, this cosec alpha can be written as 1 upon sin alpha, and this sec alpha can be written as 1 upon cos alpha, and this tan alpha can be written as sin alpha upon cos alpha. Now we can see here this sin alpha multiplied by sin alpha gives sin square alpha. On the right hand side, this cos alpha multiplied by cos alpha gives cos square alpha. Now we use here cross multiplication, so cos square alpha multiplied by cos alpha, we get here cos cube alpha, and when we multiply sin square alpha by sin alpha, we get sin cube alpha. So we can write this cos cube alpha divided by sin cube alpha is equal to y by x. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर इस इक्वेशन में cot अल्फा के प्लेस पे cos अल्फा अपॉन साइन अल्फा लिखा गया है। cosec अल्फा को 1 अपॉन साइन अल्फा लिख सकते हैं। sec अल्फा कैन बी रिटन एज 1 अपॉन cos अल्फा। tan अल्फा को sin अल्फा अपॉन cos अल्फा लिख सकते हैं। डिनोमिनेटर में sin अल्फा मल्टीप्लाई होकर sin स्क्वायर अल्फा आएगा। cos अल्फा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय cos अल्फा, दिस इज cos स्क्वायर अल्फा। Now using cross multiplication, when we multiply cos square alpha by cos alpha, we get cos cube alpha. Sin square alpha multiplied by sin alpha, we get sin cube alpha. So this can be written as cos cube alpha upon sin cube alpha is equal to y upon f. We know that cos upon alpha, cos upon sin, this is tan. So this can be written as tan cube alpha is equal to so this is cot cube alpha, because cos upon sin, this is cot. So cot cube alpha is equal to y by x. Now we can write here. Now we can write here cot cube alpha is equal to y by x. So cot alpha can be written as y upon x whole power 1 by 3. So this can be written as y to the power 1 by 3 divided by x to the power 1 by 3. आप देख सकते हैं cot cube alpha is equal to y by x है। इसमें क्यूब रूट लेने पर cot alpha is equal to y to the power 1 by 3 divided by x to the power 1 by 3 आएगा। Now we draw a right angle triangle. Suppose this is the right angle triangle and suppose this angle is alpha. We know that cot alpha is base upon perpendicular. Cot alpha is, this is base upon perpendicular. So base is here y to the power 1 by 3 and perpendicular is x to the power 1 by 3. So here we find hypotenuse and we know that hypotenuse square is base square plus perpendicular square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. So here base square is y to the power 1 by 3 whole square plus perpendicular is x to the power 1 by 3 whole square. So this is y to the power 2 by 3 plus x to the power 2 by 3 h square. So h is equal to under root y to the power 2 by 3 plus x to the power 2 by 3. आप देख सकते हैं cot अल्फा इज इक्वल टू y की पावर 1 by 3 अपॉन x की पावर 1 by 3 है और हमको पता है cot अल्फा ये बेस अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर होता है। तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में बेस y to the power 1 by 3 हो गया, परपेंडिकुलर x to the power 1 by 3 हो गया। इस एंगल को अल्फा सपोज किया गया है। तो ये हाइपोटेन्यूज निकालने के लिए पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का यूज करेंगे। हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बेस स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर। बेस यहाँ पर y की पावर 1 by 3 इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो y की पावर 2 by 3 हो जाएगा। इसी तरह परपेंडिकुलर x की पावर 1 by 3 इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो x की पावर 2 by 3 हो जाएगा। फिर स्क्वायर रूट लेंगे तो हाइपोटेन्यूज आएगा स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x to the power 2 by 3 प्लस y to the power 2 by 3। Now we find out value of cosec alpha and sec alpha. So we find here cosec alpha. So cosec alpha is hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and we know that hypotenuse is here under root y to the power 2 by 3 plus x to the power 2 by 3 divided by perpendicular is here, we can see here perpendicular is x to the power 1 by 3। आपको पता है cosec अल्फा हाइपोटेन्यूज अपॉन परपेंडिकुलर होता है। हाइपोटेन्यूज मतलब कर्ण अपॉन लंब। तो इसको कर्ण यहाँ पर दिया है अंडर रूट y पावर 2 by 3 प्लस x टू द पावर 2 by 3 और लंब है आपका परपेंडिकुलर x टू द पावर 1 by 3। Now we find out sec alpha. Sec alpha is the reciprocal of the cos alpha and cos alpha is based upon hypotenuse. So sec alpha can be written as hypotenuse upon base. Here h standing for hypotenuse and b standing for base. So hypotenuse is here under root y to the power 2 by 3 plus x to the power 2 by 3 and base is here y to the power 1 by 3. Now we eliminate alpha between second and these. Suppose this is a equation. Suppose this is second equation and this is third. So eliminate a between second and third and fourth. Suppose this is the third equation and this is the fourth equation. So eliminating alpha between second, third and fourth, we get the required envelope of the family of straight line. आप देख सकते हैं जब हम सेकेंड इक्वेशन थर्ड और फोर्थ की हेल्प से सेकेंड से अल्फा को एलिमिनेट करेंगे तो एनवेलप की इक्वेशन मिलेगी. नाउ एलिमिनेटिंग अल्फा between second, third and fourth, we get the required envelope. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर जब हम सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ से अल्फा को एलिमिनेट करेंगे तो रिक्वायर्ड एनवेलप की इक्वेशन मिलेगी. तो पुट हियर वैल्यू ऑफ cosec अल्फा sec अल्फा. तो x cosec अल्फा इज हियर, वी राइट दिस इज अंडर रूट y टू द पावर 2 by 3 plus x to the power 2 by 3 divided by x to the power 1 by 3. Plus similarly here we put sec alpha. Sec alpha is this one. So y to the power 2 by 3 plus x to the power 2 by 3 divided by y to the power 1 by 3 is equal to c. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर से sec alpha और cosec alpha की इक्वेशन की वैल्यूज इक्वेशन 2 में सब्स्टिट्यूट करी गई है जिससे अल्फा को एलिमिनेट किया जा सके. Now we can see here this power is of x is 1. So when we subtract this 1 by 3 from 1 we get 2 by 3. So this can be written as x to the power 2 by 3 multiplied by x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3. Similarly here power of y is 1 and this 1 by 3 subtract from 1 we get y to the power 2 by 3. So we write y to the power 2 by 3 under root x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to c. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर में s की पावर 1 by 3 था, 1 में से 1 by 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट होगी तो ये 2 by 3 पावर बनेगी. इसी तरह डिनोमिनेटर में 1 by 3 है, न्यूमरेटर में y की पावर 1 है तो 1 में से 1 by 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा 2 by 3 बनेगा. नाउ वी टेकिंग कॉमन दिस स्क्वायर रूट टर्म इन, so this is x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3. We get here x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to c. So this square root means power is 1 by 2. So this can be written as power 1 by 2 and here x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 power 1. So this power will be added. So x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to c. When we take reciprocal of this power, so this can be written as x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to c to the power 2 by 3. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर बोथ टर्म में से अंडर रूट एक्स पावर 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 this is common. So in bracket x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 and we know that square root means power 1 by 2 and here the power is 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2 that means 3 by 2. When we take reciprocal of this power we get x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to c to the power 2 by 3. Thank you.